Are you losing out on sales because your promotion material doesn't look professional? If you think that you might be, then this is the video for you, because it can help your emails and your promotional copy look more professional. Now, generally speaking, people shy away from complication, and people who are a little bit shady use complication to hide behind. Now, what I'm going to be talking about in this video is affiliate links, or should that be our affiliate links? Well, affiliate links anyway. Hi there, it's Ed Anguish here from Digital Wise Buys, and today we're going to look at using pretty links to make your affiliate links look more attractive to encourage people to click on them. Let's face it, you put a link somewhere. It can be in an email or a sales letter or on a landing page. It can be anywhere. It doesn't matter, but it's there because you want your readers to interact with it. You want them to click on it and go to the page where your information is, what you want them to read. Now, most people will only interact with something if they can understand it. This day and age, we know, particularly online, that many people are prone to make things complicated so they can hide behind what they're really doing and do something dubious. Now, here's a genuine URL for the UK weather tomorrow. It's very complicated. Look how long it is. But if you wanted someone to click on it, well, it doesn't look inviting, does it? I would be rather hesitant to click on a link like that. This one is okay, I know, because I searched for it, so it is genuine, but it looks ugly. So what can we do about it? If this is your first time here on the Digital Wise Buys channel, well then you're very welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to hear about when we release new videos. Also, just before we move on, if you're looking for a good quality training program that will show you how to set up your new online business the right way, then click the link below this video, the first link below this video, for the only training program that we recommend here at Digital Wise Buys. Now, why would you want to shorten a URL? Well, I can think of a few off the top of my head. Number one, if it's a very long link, it's not going to be good to type out, particularly if you're on a mobile device. 2, if it's a string of unrelated characters, it can be difficult to remember or memorize. 3, you might want to hide the identity of an actual URL. 4, you can make it so that it identifies or relates to a particular product or service. Number 5, you could do it to make it easier to be used in printed copy, example, a magazine or a book or on a label or whatever. There are many reasons why you may want to shorten a link or a URL. So, how can we make these links look a little bit more appealing? Well, I use Pretty Links. Now, it's a word process plugin that will do the job for you. I'll show you how it works here on my website. I have Pretty Links installed here. It's already on my site. But if you don't have Pretty Links, if you go to Plugins and Add New, and then search Plugins, type in Pretty Links, and it will come up with a selection of plugins that it sees related to what you've typed in, but the one that you want is going to be here, and it's the first link that you get. It's Pretty Links, link management, branding, tracking and sharing plugin. So when you see this, if you haven't got it installed, it's going to say install now, just like this little button here. It'll say it up here, install now. So you click on install now, and that will put it onto your computer. Once it's installed, you then need to activate. This button will change then to say activate. You click activate and you will make the plugin live, and it will look just like what I've got here. We've got Pretty Links installed on the site, and this is a list of the links that you will have installed. Yours will be blank because you've not got any yet. So you want to go to add a new and create a new link. So we'll do that. We'll just go over and create a new link. Now this is pretty straightforward. Page here at the top here, you have a section to add your title, and then here you have put in the URL of the site that you want to shorten, the site that you want to take people to, and you want to shorten it. In this one, pretty link, you then go in and you put the name that you want to call this shortened link. It automatically self-populates with a bit of code, and you really want to change that. And then you can make some notes here. What we've got to do is go and select a product that you want to promote. Now I've gone to the front page of Amazon and just clicked on a product. It happens to be a gentleman's watch, and I clicked on it. Copy this URL, go back to my pretty links, and I will paste it in my target URL. Control V, and that will paste it. As you can see, it's a pretty long link that we've got here. It's pretty long, it's pretty ugly. I don't want to type it out, and if anybody sees that stuck on a page, they're going to not like it. So this is an Amazon watch, so I'm going to give my title, I'm going to call it Amazon watch, and I'm also going to copy that because that looks okay. Copy. I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to call it Amazon watch. Now it's better if you don't have any spaces. I'll explain to you in a little while. So here you could make some notes about the particular product that you're linking to, just to give you clarity and a bit of identity. Now here we've got redirection. Now this is sort of like technical stuff, but basically what it's saying is that there's three types of redirection that you can have. These two are for temporary. You use these two if the link that you're using, which is here, may change. So you would put this as a temporary one. Now basically 307 is an updated version of 302, so use 307. If on the other hand this was on referring to a site or a location that will never ever change, that you know it's never going to ever change, it might be on your own website, but you know it's not going to change, then you would use a permanent 301 link. But we're going to leave this at 307 for now. So I'll leave a link below this video to an article where you can go and that explains everything, so you can go out and check it before you decide on which link you would choose. So that's everything all set up, and all we have to do is then go and click update. Updating will make it live, turn it into a definite shortened link. Here we've got it. It tells me here I've got it. It's an Amazon watch, and here is the link. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to copy this link. Let me just go into edit first. One thing I didn't show you before, and I'll show you now. Edit. Put in Amazon watch here. It's going to make it /Amazon watch, and this is your website. This is your website. It's going to read digitalwisebuys.com /Amazon watch, and that's what it does. So I just copied that from, I'll go back to update. I've not changed anything, so everything should stay as it is. Go back and copy the link here, and then paste it into a Google search. There we go, digitalwisebuys.com Amazon watch. Hit return and see what comes up. Lo and behold, it's the Amazon watch. So that's how you make that's how you shorten a link, and it looks much better. Now going back to the pretty links page. Oh, what I was going to say, sorry, when you paste in here, and we've got it, and it says digitalwisebuys.com Amazon watch. If we'd have left a space in the description, it will put in there some characters to indicate there's a space. So it would, you would actually see in there Amazon, I think it's percentage mark and then 20, which indicates a space, and then watch. So it's not really very nice. You could put a dash or something, but it's better if you don't leave spaces, because it will replace spaces with code. Let's go back to pretty links. Now, one of the good things about pretty links, it will tell you how many people have actually clicked on your link. On this one, it shows me that there's been 48 clicks. 51 clicks from 48 different people. This one's had 19 clicks from 11 people. This one's had 73 clicks from 49 people. So we can see how many people are clicking on it and how many are returning to click on it again. So if I update this, I think it will go back and come up as 1 click because I've just been in. Yes. So going into this this section, we can see here that I've got my watch, my product, Amazon Watch, has had 1 visitor, 1 click from 1 person. Let me put it on again. I'm going to do this again. Go click. It's come back up, and what my link now shows, if I update it, it's now had 2 clicks from 1 person. That's me, because well, when it says 1 person, it means really from 1 URL. It's not actually, doesn't actually know that it's me, but it knows that it's the URL. So that's Pretty Links in a nutshell, and that's all there is to it. And that's how you would make your links look better, more user-friendly, more likely to be clicked on rather than passed by, because it looks a lot better. So if I bring up a new email here, and for instance, blah 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 blah, and I'm sending somebody to a link, I can post in Digital Wise Bytes. That looks much better than the link that was up there in the first place and looked a bit like that. Now, which one of those two would you click on? This is going to put you right off, because you think, whoa, that's no way, way too complicated. This one looks much more inviting, and I would click on that first. It's easy to type as well. If I'm on a phone and somebody says type in, I can type in digitalwisebytes.com Amazon Watch. A lot easier to type than this. So that's how you would shorten your links. If you're looking to get more tips, tricks, help and information to help you establish your business online, your new business online, then please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure that you get notified when we release new videos. In the meantime, this is Ed Anguish saying thank you very much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.